Nasa panikibat. So ito na is nakikita niyo.
Yung code o yung exe o yung exe, ika nga no, yung exe nasaan. Ang idea dito is that kasi ang idea ng parang alam mo yun, collective ano na lang, collective term na lang natin, no? Community. And then yung third na part, yung nadagdag is yung web. Kaya block na agad yan, no? Unsubscribe, report. Diba? Report agad.
I wonder if I can find more of them out in the wild.
Freeze!
Preservation natin is because of these few factors din. Unang-una, yung copyright owner, syempre sila yung parang merong audio, basa, kailangan patuyuin. So si Claudie medyo papansin ito eh. Pasaway na din. Lahat na talaga.
Bandage.
I see you've retrieved your backpack, Snake. To equip a weapon, it's necessary to take it out of your backpack. In the survival viewer, choose...
Parang may huso kadal pa dito.
yan sa work namin, no? Anyway, sige guys, na ito na. Wait lang. May mga papagawa pa si Jemime. Sige lang, comment lang kayo, no? Comment lang kayo ng
It's the way I lie to you. I'm still in a dream.
Hindi pa niya alam yung amoy alak. Eh. Ano pa alam yan? Nanay mo, galit lagi dyan. Eh. Ano naman? Ala, sadali. Alright. About this. Kasi ma-open up yung topic like shared capitalism. So it's something din siya na, you know, ibang topic din, no? Switch, no, yung mga emulator ng Nintendo Switch like Yuzu and Ryujinx, sorry. So itong mga emulation project na to, no. So currently there are wala kang access sa source code kasi build na yun nakuha mo. So kahit papaano at least yun may kuha ka, no, may tawag dito, meron kang ownership, no, of that
Bitch.
din siya in terms of preservation is yung tinatawag nating digitization ng mga print video game magazine. Diba? Wala akong mga magazines ng video game sabihan.
Who is that?
Karja Sun Priest. Cranked him down yesterday, about an hour before the machine trouble started. He's a...
I do. We'll see how it goes.
Diba na dapat supposedly sila yung gumagawa ng way para ma-preserve yung mga games na to. But parang alam mo yun, biglang sa atin yung bola to do that. Nasa sayo na. Ganon din, no? Kapag binigay mo siya dun sa sayo, sa sarili mo, sa yung value or yung pera, no, is hinulog mo sa bank.
Control. Unidentified aircraft detected. Altitude 30,000 feet.
Something there? I must be seeing things.
Tulog kayo lahat.
Workload. Hindi ba sa'yo, Lorenzo? Hindi ba ganyan? Ayun nga, ano nga ba kinukwento ko? Basta yun, no, yung the thing is, parang 2 months na nga And yung word na norm, parang very derogative na siya, no? Compared dun sa parang pag sinabi kang weeb, way back then, yun ang parang very derogative na
Change the future. You've created a time paradox.
You were her last apprentice. Screw this one up, and we'll both be 6 feet under. There's no choice.
Start community. Make mistakes. The analyst must be firm. Even if they give you some pause. Wawa naman yung mga kids.
In my time, there'll be no
Explosives created the sinkhole. I should head back to Chainscrape to let Javad know.
My brothers!
Parang
Is he crying? Rain, and someday you'll feed on a tree frog. It's ordeal, the trial to survive.
dun sa sinasabi kong pwedeng solution for the game preservation. Kasi parang hindi na natin pwedeng i-take lightly yung ano ng digital games eh. No? Kailangan report na agad. Sabihin mo kay YouTube fake news, ganon. Diba? Ganon ginagawa ko eh. Basta pag lumabas yung IGN sa feed ko, hindi
Good job, Snake.
We're coming to get you now. Just stay where you
parang minting yung naging process, no, of creating the game. So, ang mangyayari dyan, ang kagandahan kasi ng digital games, no, at least ngayon, is that unlimited yung supply niya.
Kuwabara, Kuwabara.
Parang
HQ, HQ.
This is HQ.
Control here. We have evidence of an enemy intruder. Commence alert formation.
kayo kung mananakot kayo, hindi yung nangahampas pa kayo na may apoy.
Save yearly attention.
Ah, the bristlebacks, of course. Got to get rid of them if you want that embassy to take place. Well,
Pero syempre, we share the same thought, no, at least on majority of their claims. Diba? That's the thing.
Can it set over a land at peace? Today is such.
Hear me, marshals! You...
Something much bigger on our hands.
The Cuban Missile Crisis.
October the 16th, 1962, President Kennedy received word that the Soviets were in the process of deploying
Kami daan dito eh. Okay, so we're done here.
Arcades and video game consoles and digitization, tama ba? Digitization of print ano pa ba? Basta anything about useful thing na pwede mong magamit, 'di ba? And could attribute a value. So yun yung
What do you want, Alvund? Some kind of payment?
my dear magistrate, you think I can be bought? If you want that whistle blown, all you have to do is have your soldiers
and something siya na hindi mo makokontrol. 'Di ba? Kaya ang tawag dito, yung piracy, is usually yun yung nagigit, mga ganun. Yan ang ginagawa, no? So, yun ang tawag na clock in, clock out. Hey, stay ka lang, ha? Yung point, no? So, pagdating sa ganyan, no, in terms of work, 'di ba? Tapos Americans, actually sa case namin, kahit papaano, yung parang yung content ng laro, no, hindi niya owned 'yon talaga. Sorry. Kasi parang
Gutom na si Snake.
Son of a... Get away from me!
I'm an idiot.
Erend! By the forge.
I guess that's my key.
Maybe I should go with you to Barren Light.
No, hey, you.
Yung to yung may challenge. Oh, yun yung
My friends, let us fight together again.
I have waited long for this day.
We will fight with you once more. Grenade!
The darkness and silence through the night. What a thrill.
akin, if something na opposite siya, that's fine, no? Means to say, culturally, no, hindi in sync yung ano namin, yung take namin.
Sir?
There's the commander.
How are we to hold an embassy with a tribe that can't even govern their own people?
What more can you expect?
Parang
Okay. Ang tawag dito? Ito yung topic natin, no? Kasi
Field. Wag na mag-work.
Mga bumibili, yung mga tatay, no? Yung mga tito. Ayop yan. Sayang. Ako ito, nagwo-work daw habang nag-chat dito. Grabe si TJ, Oh, 'di ba? Work from